This officer is gonna ask you some questions, okay?
Please, I'm trying to...
Ellie,
I can't
stop.
be
Make sure that she...
I can't be in handcuffs!
A routine evening turns into a silent test of courage. A man with a phone meets officers whose presence fills the air with command. Every glance carries judgment. Every step feels measured.
On the window.
I'm sorry, hello?
Hi, miss. I'm Officer Costa with the Crystal Lake Police Department. We're just talking to you because we got a couple complaints that you might have been swerving on the road or...
We need you to step out, okay? You're gonna come and talk with us over here, okay? All right, my dear, here. Put your right against there. This officer is gonna ask you some questions, okay? Yeah. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you stand by with these officers and I'm gonna search your vehicle.
You don't have the warrant to do that.
Actually, I have probable cause because I observed alcohol.
You don't have warrant to do that.
Because I observed
I
alcohol.
have a right?
Because I observed alcohol.
You don't.
Here's where the trouble starts. Ellie insists police need a warrant to search her car, but officers say they saw alcohol, and that gives them probable cause. In the US, that can be enough under the automobile exception. The real question, was that cause actually there? Or is this a search that could be fought in court?
I
Now
observed...
you search my car.
Okay, so...
There's a pipe.
Yeah, and they don't have a right to search my car.
Listen to me.
They don't.
Chill out, okay?
I know
because
you...
I don't want to have to put you in handcuffs right now.
I know you don't have a right to search my car.
You need to relax.
To the law, it's called a mobile conveyance.
You guys looked in my car before you have the right to search my car, and so you don't have a right to search my car.
There's also plain view.
You don't have a right to search my car.
I do.
No, you don't.
Okay, so
no,
Ellie,
you don't.
Ellie, do not touch me like that.
I'm telling you.
I'm going to tell you one more time, dear.
I'm
Don't
telling
touch
you
me
for a
like
fact
that.
you don't have a right to search my car.
So listen to me. This is going to go one of two ways, okay? I would rather not put you in handcuffs so we can chill out.
You can't search my
What
car
is your-
without a warrant.
Ellie, it's all on body cam.
You can't search my car without a warrant. No, you can't.
Turn around. Turn around.
Do not handcuff me.
We're not going to do this. We're not going to do this.
Chill. Turn around. Stop.
Please don't handcuff me. I'll go with them to the cop car. Please don't handcuff me. I'll go with them to the car. I'll go with them to the car right now. Please don't handcuff me.
We already spoke about this. We gave you the
Don't
option.
handcuff me. I'll go to the car with them right now. Please. I'll go to the car with them right now. Please don't handcuff me. I'm trying to.
We're not going to do this.
Ellie, stop. You got her?
I can't be handcuffed. Please. I'm trying to.
Ellie,
I can't
stop.
be handcuffed.
Stop.
I can't be handcuffed.
Stop it. Now.
I'll go to the car.
Stop
I
it.
can't be handcuffed.
Ellie. Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest, okay? Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest, okay?
When Ellie refuses handcuffs, deputies push forward. She begs to just walk to the car, but they've decided it's over. What follows is panic, resistance, and a situation that shifts from a DUI stop to resisting arrest fast.
Well, we're gonna figure it out. It's at least, we'll go illegal consumption of alcohol by a minor right now, okay? Do you have the key? Stop! Stop!
Ellie,
Stop!
let's not do that.
Stop it! Stop! Stop!
Ellie,
Stop!
let's not do that.
Stop it!
Deputies warn Ellie about the wrap, a device to fully restrain someone. She keeps fighting and banging her head, so they bring it in. Supporters say it keeps people safe. Critics, they see it as going too far. Either way, it takes 5 deputies to hold her down.
Handcuffs! I can't be in handcuffs!
Make sure that she...
I can't be in handcuffs!
Stop, Ellie!
Ellie, we're not doing this. Ellie,
I can't
Ellie,
be in
we're not doing this. We're
handcuffs!
not doing this.
Then take me out of the...
Come
I
on.
can't be in handcuffs!
Ellie, stop!
Take me out of the handcuffs then!
Listen to
Take
me!
me out of the handcuffs!
Ellie, stop!
Take me out of the handcuffs!
Stop!
I got her.
Take me out of the
Ellie,
handcuffs!
Ellie, listen to me! Stop!
Take me out of the handcuffs then!
Ellie,
Take me out of the handcuffs!
Ellie, stop! Take me out of the handcuffs, then.
You're making it worse for yourself. Ellie,
You
come
know
on.
how
You
much...
are, seriously, because what's gonna end up happening...
Take me out of there!
Ellie, stop!
Take me out!
Ellie, stop!
Take me out of there!
Stop!
Take me out!
Ellie, listen to me. Take a deep breath. Listen to me. Chill. You have to chill out.
Please take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
Please.
Right now, I can't. You know why?
I'll sit here if you take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
If not, I'll run out.
How about we try to do some breathing, okay?
He can buckle me up if you take off the handcuffs, please.
Sweetheart,
he can't buckle
sweetheart,
me
I
if not.
cannot.
He can't buckle me.
Okay,
He's not.
so listen, this is the deal. If you keep fighting like this, my sergeant's on his way here, and he has this device called the wrap, okay? And it completely restrains you. Listen to me. You have to listen to me. If you can't calm yourself down the way we are now, I am gonna have to put you in that, and I don't wanna do that. Because we're calm and we're talking right now, okay? So we have to stop. Take some deep breaths, let's do some grounding. Can we do some grounding? Can we do some grounding together, Ellie?
I can't wear them. It feels like I'm going to Utah.
Ellie, stop.
Ellie, if you
Stop.
do that one more time, I'm gonna put you in the wrap.
Stop it.
Then please take the handcuffs off me.
Then you're gonna get put in the wrap. Those are your options. If
Please?
you bang your head one more time, I'm gonna put you in the wrap.
Please take the handcuffs off.
Stop.
Does not mean you can touch me without consent. Stop touching me. You guys are old men.
Careful, watch your head.
Stop touching me.
Watch your leg. All right, I got the head. If you guys.
Stop.
Is that off your stomach?
Can you get any more?
Try. Not too hard.
Double check your
Ellie,
cuffs, Ellie.
stop digging your fingernails into
If you
my
fight him,
hands.
he can't check your cuffs.
They hurt so
you
bad.
fight him-
He
What's
should
wrong,
have
avoidant?
checked them. He should have checked them before putting them on me.
I don't
back
think.
there.
I think she's gonna be hitting her head against the side. I think ambulance transport might.
Shut the. I will not hit my head. I can't go in an ambulance. If you call my sister right when you get the.
Hey, Ellie.
I can't go in an
so you
ambulance.
can,
My stomach just hurts.
Stop.
Let go of my stomach. You gotta stop. Can you please unbuckle the belt of my stomach? It
No.
hurts.
Stop. Are you
Have
hurt?
to take some deep breaths.
It hurts.
What hurts?
My stomach and my wrist.
Okay.
I've been telling you this. You guys don't listen because you are insensitive.
Well, with this
This
thing,
aggravated battery.
you want to?
Please don't. Please just call my sister. Please. She was supposed to pick me up anyway. I wouldn't have gotten in trouble because I didn't.
We'll go back to the PD and do complaints.
Yep.
What?
We got. We're gonna lift her up. Put her in.
What? One,
One, two, three.
Dude, I'm gonna bring you guys to court and do complaints. It hurts.
stop fighting.
I'm not.
Who asked my vape?
Yeah, there it is.
You got it? Where is it? Under her.
Under her seat.
A half-empty bottle of deputies confiscated.
While Ellie's in custody, deputies search her car. Under the seat, half a bottle of vodka and a glass pipe. For officers, that's solid evidence. For her defense, it's one more reason to question the legality of that search.
She's been kidnapped.
Get my handcuffs off me. Get this out of my mouth. Get this out of my mouth.
Miss, what's your name?
Ellie, get this out of my mouth.
Okay, Ellie, you gotta tell me what's going on today. What happened?
Get this out of my mouth right now. I can't breathe.
Ellie, you gotta talk to me.
Get the hair in. I can't talk with hair in. Come to my mouth. I can't talk with this in my mouth. Get it out and I'll talk. Get this out of my mouth.
Thank you. Can you please get the hair out of my mouth?
Don't worry about it. You're waiting on. I'm watching them. Black is the orange is the black to know what's going on. Look at that stupid.
Ellie is taken to a holding cell where she's informed she'll be spending the night. Let's see how that goes.
What's your question? No, in the morning. In the morning.
Why not tonight? They told me tonight.
No, you have to see the judge.
What if I go back to see the judge? If my parents,
What's that?
if my parents bail me out tonight, if they bring me to the judge.
No, you don't have a bail until the judge sets it. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
No, I won't.
You'll be fine. It's just this right now. We'll see how it progresses.
Our suspect tries again to plead with deputies.
I need to go home tonight.
Take some deep breaths, okay? And trust me, these young ladies that you're talking to, you're in good hands, okay?
If I call my parents, they'll say whatever it is to get me out tonight. I can't be here.
Okay. Let's try, why don't we try some coping skills, okay?
I can't be here tonight. I really can't be here tonight.
It's gonna be okay.
I can't be here tonight. It's not gonna be okay. You don't understand.
I'm gonna book you in a little while, okay? I'm gonna give you 3 free phone calls. But listen, you're gonna be down here just for tonight. You're gonna listen,
I
Ellie.
can't be here tonight.
Ellie, listen to me. It's just for tonight. You listen, Ellie. I know, but is there anyone you can call?
My parents.
Okay, but listen, come by the door so that I don't have to. Listen, unfortunately, you're gonna have to spend the night.
No, I can't.
Ellie, listen for a second. Let me talk. I know, Ellie. I know, but listen, Ellie, you're not gonna go anywhere. You're just gonna be here. I'm gonna be here all night long.
I can't stay
Listen,
here.
Ellie.
I can't.
He keeps filming, words chosen with care. The street becomes a courtroom, his lens the only testimony. Pride and authority clash, leaving echoes long after the flashing lights fade. The sergeant steps forward, bringing a calmer tone to the scene. The heated exchange fades, and the man is allowed to leave without further interference, still holding his recording as evidence of the encounter.